once you put all of your video and your audio clips together for your introductions, you pick the best board audio, the best ambient track, and you've kind of basically mixed them. And now you're going to start cutting it. There's some things to think about. If they're coming through the door and they take an angle and you're not, or the shot isn't in a position where you can see them when the DJ announces their names, then you ought to kind of cut it in a way that when the DJ announces them, you see them coming in. Make sure it follows continuity, that people are clapping at the right points. You don't want to show people coming in the door before people are clapping, that type of thing. So you have to watch out for that. But don't just have a long shot where the DJ is announcing them and there's a minute break before you actually see the people. Or by the time you see them on camera, the DJ is announcing another person's name. So in that case, you want to be able to cut in as the DJ says the people's names as if it was the perfect intro, and you see them right at that moment. So if you have to do something like that, that's fine. In this case, it's more of a wide shot and you can see everybody, so that's not necessary. But you do have to watch out that if they walk out of the frame, that you have something to cut to. If you don't have something to cut to, then you ought to start cutting up the introductions just in sections. So if you have a section where they go out of frame, or there's a break before they announce the other person, or sometimes the DJ will wait a little while until the bride and groom are ready, don't keep that in. Cut that. So don't be afraid to cut the introductions to make it better.